one of the other things that you can do aside from waking up an hour earlier is to basically in advance map out all the things that you need to do on Monday, map out all the things that you need to do on Tuesday, and then you don't really need to think about it, because thinking about it, remembering it, that takes extra brain power that you can use for other stuff, and it takes extra time. Whereas instead, if you've got everything mapped out, on Monday morning, all you should need to do is open this app, and it's just everything that you need to do, everything from the most priority thing to the lowest priority thing, it's just there. And all you need to do is just work through that list and just work through it task by task and mark it off as you get it done. There's a real psychological thing around the sense of achievement you get as you kind of mark those things off in the app, and that list gets smaller and smaller, and you start to work your way through that list. So in terms of becoming a highly performing individual, be more organized, have the things that you need to do mapped out in advance, and leverage a software like Asana to keep every single day organized so that you get the most out of it.